Healthy food. Our health depends on food we eat. Many teenagers prefer fast food or junk food. It contains many calories, sugar and fat. What should we eat to stay healthy? Remember, healthy diet is a well-balanced diet. We should choose products which are rich in vitamins. For example, fruit and vegetable salads. And don't forget about milk products because they are a source of calcium. Milk products, cereals, bread, fruit, vegetables and only some sweets. That's how our daily meals must look like.